back with another vlog task session. At bago pa kayo mapasana all, yes! Bibigay ko na sa inyo ang mga YouTube hacks para mapabilis ang inyong pag-grow sa ating YouTube channel. As for our first tip, that's for the letter S. S stands for SEO. Search Engine Optimization. Yon. Kailangan yung pag-aralan kung ano ba ang SEO. By the name itself, yun yung ibig sabihin niya ay pag nag-search kayo sa internet, number 1 kayo sa listahan ni Google. Google, di ba? At kahit sa YouTube na portal, number 1 talaga kayo. It's hard to explain in just one video, kaya nandun naman si Google to help you out. You have to search SEO. YouTube SEO, Search Engine Optimization for YouTube channel. That's one thing that you have to learn. For our tip number 2, letter A. That stands for Analytics. Analytics, makikita nyo yan sa inyong YouTube studio. Diba? For you na nagsisimula pa, akala natin ang dali-dali lang. Actually, ang dali talaga mag-shoot tapos upload. But then, if you really want to grow your channel, you have to learn how to read your analytics. Marami kayong matututunan dyan sa analytics. Nandoon yung mga past data niyo, especially for those who have started their YouTube for almost a year. Makikita nyo na, matitrace nyo na kung kamusta ba yung mga videos niyo. Anong mga videos ba yung pumapatok sa mga audience nyo? Ano bang klaseng mga audience ang meron kayo? From gender to demographics, makikita mo yun sa ating analytics. Next tip number 3, that's letter N. N stands for name. And I have discussed it in our video last week. Name, or what we call the channel name. Yan yung mukha natin sa YouTube. That's why it's very important to have the best name that would carry you as a YouTuber, you and your channel as a whole. Then sana it's another A. Ay, mali. Ibang letter. A. A, which stands for the Academy or YouTube Academy. Before you search sa Google, make sure to go for the YouTube Academy. Ano yan? Asan yan, Miss B? When you started your YouTube channel, meron yang tutorial. At makikita nyo yan. You get to search. Meron tayong website for the YouTube Academy. And everything that you want to learn about YouTube, nandun on sa ating YouTube Academy. So all you have to do is explore and watch all the videos, especially for those teens na walang magawa ngayon. It's sem break. Tapos na ba ang sem break? Papasok na yung December na break. Pag bored kayo, you go first pa ninyo pag nag-open ng YouTube is open the YouTube Academy before streaming other videos. At least you get to learn more about YouTube and help you grow as a YouTuber. So, ayan, tapos na tayo sa word na sana. Di all na natin, all out na tayo. A-L-L, that's A-L-L. Sana all means always learn to love. Yeah! Hindi na siya hack for some of you kasi alam naman natin, pero meron talaga tayo yung akala natin hindi na siya ganun ka-important. But in everything that we do, we should always love it para maging madali na lang sa atin. And if we love what we're doing, nagre-reflect niyan. Lahat ng nakakita sa atin, they would know, oh, nag-e-enjoy siya at hindi lang siya enjoy. Gustong-gusto niya talaga at minamahal niya yung kanyang ginagawa. So let's go and follow her. Kaya ano pang hinihintay niyo? Click the subscribe button and ring that bell to get notified for my next videos. Thank you very much for watching. Till next week. Bye! Ayaw kayo nakarapit ka mo sa akong channel. Yan ang pang hinahulak niyo. Pindutan ang subscribe button. Pati yung garay kag hindi pagkalimti.